Meow. Meow. What are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, and then we come up here. And then we come over here. She just doesn't know why this thing is pointing at her. How about this? Oh no, where did your toy go? What if we give you, where's her Jingle Jingle? There's your Jingle Jingle. Jingle, 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 jingle. Tink, 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 tink. She just holds her mouth open.
You like that one, huh? Oh, just keep dropping all your toys. Oh no.
I love you. I love you. Oh, you're my little dinosaur today. You like to growl. Roar. Roar.
She always has sparkles all over.
She was playing with the fairy wings earlier.
Oh,
She loves sparkly stuff.
I guess so, huh?